Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here I'm gonna make a drink that helps you with weight loss, bloating, and so many more benefits that I will link below on the description. Okay. This drink consists of pineapple, 1 cup, not the whole thing. 1 cucumber, if it's a big ass cucumber, half of that cucumber, half of a lemon, piece of ginger. It depends how much ginger you like. You can use a little bit, but I'm gonna put this whole piece, okay? And 4 cups of water. Okay. What else? All right, guys, let's get to the video. So I've already cut up my cucumber. It was kind of small, so I'm gonna use that whole cucumber. But I bought a few more. I'll just make the drink as I go along, or I don't know, maybe I'll make more. But for the video, I'm just gonna use one, okay? The half of lemon, like I said, piece of ginger, depends how spicy you like it, because you know that ginger gives it a little kick. But you can use the whole lemon if you prefer more lemon flavor, okay? So I already cut this up. Got my 4 cups of water, and you're also gonna need the blender. Sorry, right there. It's my ninja. Got my ninja. So yeah, so you're gonna use this. But I have to finish cutting. I gotta cut the pineapple, so I'm gonna be back because that's gonna take me a while. And we're gonna need 1 cup of pineapples, okay? Well, it depends, you know. Let's see how it tastes, and if I need to add more, I'll add a little more pineapples. All right, guys. See you in a few. Sorry. Also, don't forget to peel. Little down, little up. Don't forget to peel the ginger. You can use where's my peeler? Where did I throw it? You can use a potato peeler, or you can just use a knife, or whatever you like, a spoon. There's many ways you can peel it. What else? What else? This, I have to cut it up. It's gonna take me a while, Jesus. Okay, so I'll be back, guys. Be back. I know some people like to keep this. I don't know exactly why. I've seen some videos, but I just can't really remember off the back of my head right now. But I guess I can keep it and look into that. So I'm just gonna finish here. Sorry, guys, I keep saying I'm gonna be back, right? I'm bored. I'm bored to death. Well, now I know why we buy the pineapple cut up already, because it's really a pain in the ass. To cut. And I think I paid about four something for this pineapple. I thought it was gonna be cheaper, but it was not that cheap. I know it must be cheap to be like, oh, we want it cheaper. Sorry. So I did not cut the whole pineapple, as you can see. Here's half of it. Here's the other half, or half of half. But as I said, we only need 1 cup of pineapple. Okay, let me wash it up real quick. I'll be back. Guys, don't forget to clean your fruits and vegetables, of course. Remember the little brush I showed you before? I rinsed these after I cut them up. I cleaned this with this brush, and the cucumber, I cleaned it with this also, with warm water. All right, so here's our 4 cups of water. Let's move this to the side. So I'm gonna add the 4 cups of water. I'm gonna link below also where I found this video. It says it's best to drink it 2 or 3 times a day. But that's up to you how many times you want to drink it a day, okay? Oh, 1 second, guys. I gotta squeeze my lemon. Alright, squeeze that half a lemon. Oh, and I forgot to peel my ginger. I'm messing up big time. Alright, guys, I'm finally done chopping it all up. So, got the pineapple, 1. Ooh. Wait. Ooh. Pineapple, 1. Lemon, 2. Half. If you want the whole lemon, do the whole lemon. Ginger, 3. Cucumber, 1. If it's a big ass cucumber, half of that sucker. And 4 cups of water. Okay, guys? Alright. So, let's put it all in the blender. Cucumber first. Alright. Ginger next. I just cut like a small piece like that. You can use a bigger piece if you like. It's all up to you, really. The cup of pineapple, and it's like 4 extra little pieces, so I just threw them in there also, okay? Alright. Oh my god, doesn't that look pretty? Alright, what else am I missing? Oh, the lemon. might throw more lemon there. That is bitter. Bittersweet. All right. Let's blend this up. Let's blend this puppy up, guys. All right. Be back when it's not noisy. Wow, look at this pretty color. I guess you could strain this if you want. I'm gonna taste it like that first. It's probably hot, so I'm probably gonna add a little bit of ice. But it looks like it might need to be strained with a strainer, you know? I don't know if I'm saying it right, but you guys know what I'm trying to say. One of these guys, all right? So let's see. Sorry guys, I think I'm bored, so that's probably why I'm going crazy. All right, what am I looking for? Ice. So I was looking for my Q cup, you know, it's perfect for all my drinks. I added ice. I'm just gonna put a little bit of taste it, because I don't really like tasting all that weird stuff in my drinks. All that pulp and all that weird stuff. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Try this out. Let's see. Woo! That is a little bitter. Okay. Yes, it's a little bitter. I don't know if that's how it should taste, but I think I'm gonna add more lemon to it. All right. So I'm gonna cut up the lemon. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon in my little cute lemon squeezer. And I'm gonna add more lemon. It tastes a lot like a ginger. I don't really want it to taste too much ginger. Let me just use the whole thing. I'll use the whole thing. Okay. And I'm gonna blend it again. I'm gonna add this one in the blender too. It's all mine, so it's okay. Nobody else is gonna be drinking this shit. It's all mine. It's all mine. All right. Let's blend that puppy up. Okay, try it again. Let's try it. I think it should be good this time. Yeah, I think it should be good this time. Tastes better. It's something bearable, you know. It's not like, oh my god, I'm gonna die if I drink that. It tastes so disgusting. I'm so tired of people complaining about, oh, that green juice, I don't drink that shit. Yeah, well, guess you'll be dying young. It's just the reality of shit, you know. You'll be dying young. You're gonna be unhealthy, have a lot of pimples. I mean, if you're someone who has pimples like me, which I have a lot less of because I was doing the green juice a lot often. Alright guys, that's my drink. I'm gonna link below where I got the YouTube video from. That's what I'm gonna drink right now. I did not have this for breakfast. For breakfast I had a smoothie. Let me find the paper to see what I had in the breakfast smoothie so I can tell you guys, okay? Alright, so the smoothie I had for breakfast, or it was about 11 or something like that. That's the time I got up today. Woke up kind of late. It had 1 cup of coffee, milk. I prefer almond, but you can use whatever kind you want. 4 or 5 handful of greens. I don't have that, so I didn't use it. I also don't have collagen, but that's what you're supposed to add to it too. 1 banana, 1 cup of ice. What I used was a little bit of this peanut butter powder. I used the 1 banana. I went downstairs to buy it. The almond milk. Some of this. And what else? I threw a little bit of cocoa powder. And I actually threw a little bit of honey in there because it tasted kind of bitter. I didn't like it too much. So I threw that in there. But I actually bought these drops. Well, my daughter ordered it for me on Amazon. Let me show you guys right now. This is what I got. I'm waiting to get it in the mail. These are monk drops. It's a sweetener, but it has 0 calories, okay? No sugar added, no water, no it says no added water, concentrated monk fruit. So I'm just waiting for that to come so I can add it to my smoothies and stuff like that. I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Yeah, so that's what I use. So that's what I have for breakfast. I haven't ordered the collagen powder yet. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. If you want more information on that, let me know. I will definitely tell you more information about the collagen powder. I'm doing more research on it so I can give you the correct information and the 5 or 6 top best ones to get, because you can't just get whichever one. A lot of those are no good for you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I will put in the description below everything that you need for this drink that you should be drinking 2 or 3 times a day. I'm gonna have mine in a little while when I'm done cleaning this mess I got here. And yeah, thank you guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.